Hello, it's Wendy. I typically teach how to make clothes on my YouTube channel with Wendy, but today I'm here with CBC Life continuing my series of really easy home decor DIY ideas. This video is a no-sew. We're going to be making bench cushions. They go great with outdoor furniture. If you make them nice and thick, they can be even good for floor seating. Personally, I have a tall shelf unit that I've been meaning to turn sideways, add legs, throw in bench cushions, and make that a sittable spot near the entrance of our condo. So let's get into it. We'll begin by measuring the foam to cut it to size. I needed 2 rectangles in order to cover my long bench. Then I cut my foam down to size based on my measured markings. I got my foam at a store that specializes in furniture upholstery fabric. Ask for the dense furniture foam so it lasts and no thicker than 2 inches. My fabric was also from the upholstery section so that it's durable. I went with this velvet pink so there's a little shine, which adds a nice texture dimension. With the fabric lying wrong side facing up, place that foam in the middle and wrap the fabric around it. Your fabric should be cut so that there is enough overlap on all sides, kinda like wrapping a gift. Starting at the middle, I secured the overlap with safety pins, and on the 2 sides, I folded the fabric for distinct corners and brought it to the bottom to be secured with safety pins. Once I repeated this with the other piece of foam, our cushions were ready. My bench is recognizable as long as you shop for Swedish furniture, and the legs were actually purchased online. It was surprisingly easy to just drill them in. And now simply toss on the new cushions and our bench is ready. Obviously, if you want things to get a little more permanent, you can glue the fabric or go ahead and do the full sew, but anytime that you need to throw together some bench cushions real quick, whether it's guests are coming over, you want a change of color, you can come back to this video and remember how to do it. All of my sewing videos are on With Wendy if you want to check it out. Subscribe here to CBC Life if you want to see more of my home decor ideas, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!